What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I just wanted to make this video for the people that have been asking how to remove the old stabs and how to install the new ones. So I did have this footage in my original videos. I just cut it out. I thought it was making the video too long, but I think for future videos I might just keep things like that in, especially on tutorials. So without further ado, I'll show you guys how to do it. When I first did it, I thought you had to take the whole board apart, but you actually don't. You just want to make sure that the switch is removed so that the wire can get out. And then at the top of each stem, there's a little tab. Let me try and get it in focus here on camera. All you're going to do is push that in, and then it lifts up. Do that on both sides. All the stabs are going to be the same. And then it should just lift out. You just slide the wire out, and it comes out like that. Now this is how I did my Band-Aid mod. I just did it through the plate. You could take the whole board apart and then just have the PCB, and it'll be a little bit easier. You don't have to deal with getting the Band-Aids to fit through these little holes and then applying the grease on top of that. But this is how I did mine. Hope that helps you guys out. If you guys have any more questions, please make sure to leave that in the comments, and I appreciate everything that you guys have been doing. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. And the quick, if you just want to put it back, same thing, just follow the opposite way. You just slide it in, and it just clicks in like that. Pretty simple. All right, guys. See you guys.